For RCR Wireless News, my name's Sean Kinney, and I'm here with Andreas, a technology manager at Rohde & Schwarz. And Rohde has a number of solutions that they're showcasing here at Mobile World Congress Americas. I'd like to talk a little bit about what you're doing around license-assisted access. Gigabit LTE, hot topic. It seems like every day we hear another story of a carrier deploying, and LAA really is the key to getting the spectrum that you need to deliver that type of capacity. So how are you guys facilitating that for your customers?
Yeah, absolutely, Sean. I mean, like you said, there's so many companies out there that promoting LAA right now. The chipset industry, right? Qualcomm is making big announcement about it. Intel does. So the demo that we have here and that you see here in the background is basically an LAA demo, getting us to 1 gigabit per second data throughput, using one license band and 3 carriers in the unlicensed band at 5 gigahertz. The licensed one is 4x4 MIMO. The 3 unlicensed one are 2x2 MIMO, but we're using 256 QAM as a modulation scheme. So it's a certain test scenario that we're testing with, or demonstrating here with Qualcomm's latest showcase. And what that does is basically we enable the industry to design these mobile devices that can do these gigabit per data rate per second data rates. And the platform to do that is used to do that is the CMW Flex system based on the CMW 500 wideband communication tester from Rohde & Schwarz.
And so carrier aggregation, 256 QAM, and 4x4 MIMO are delivering gigabit class speeds today, but soon we're going to be seeing commercialization of 5G. And this just covers such a broad swath of spectrum. So how is Rohde helping their operator clients get an understanding of all the different propagation characteristics associated with 5G spectrum?
Yeah. Excellent question, Sean. So what we're doing right now is basically enabling the industry also to design these RF front-end modules to test these phase arrays. I mean, Rohde & Schwarz has a really clear concept on over-the-air testing methodologies, test chambers. We invested years back in near-field to far-field transform to enable these type of testing. We also added these capabilities to our signal generation and analysis tools. And I would like to show you one of these demonstrations so get a little bit bigger picture how Rohde & Schwarz is addressing 5G.
And another really big topic here at Mobile World Congress Americas is narrowband Internet of Things. This is a standards-based technology that's really getting a lot of traction. Can you tell us a little bit about how Rohde is helping their clients get a handle on NB-IoT?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the critical thing is the emphasis on cost, right? Also on cost testing. So Rohde & Schwarz implemented narrowband IoT in all our solutions, signal generation, analysis, to enable the infrastructure community to test base stations and so forth, but also on the CMW 500 platform to test devices. We also have a more cost-effective solution in the lower range for signal generator and using an oscilloscope to do these measurement on these devices. So it's really important to keep an eye on the cost of testing to enable narrowband IoT, and Rohde & Schwarz is helping the industry doing that.
Andreas, I really appreciate you taking the time to catch us up with all of the good work that Rohde's doing.
Thank you so much.